Children, I know all of you must be throwing the garbage in the dustbin, but there are many people who are not doing so. They are carelessly throwing the garbage on the land and into water. This garbage contains germs, plastics, and other harmful substances which cause land, air, and water pollution. Pollution means making land, water, and air dirty by adding harmful substances. Land pollution is being caused by the household garbage and the waste material of factories being thrown in the neighborhood, sides of roads, nearby open spaces, etc. Mostly, the garbage bins are overflowing and it is lying here and there all over the place. There are harmful chemicals in the garbage. Chemicals mean substances which have been artificially prepared. These chemicals pass slowly into the soil and badly affect the quality of soil. When it rains heavily, the drains get blocked, so this garbage lying on the land is carried away by the rainwater onto the roads and sometimes even into the shops and houses also. Recently, you must have seen this type of situation in Mumbai in the news on TV. In Mumbai, in certain areas, due to heavy rainfall, the garbage was floating almost everywhere. Air pollution is being caused by the bad smell of the garbage, which keeps on lying at one place for many days, and due to harmful chemicals present in the smoke being released into the air due to the burning of garbage by the people. It is also being polluted by the smoke and harmful gases released by the vehicles, factories, forest fires, burning of wood, coal, etc. Water pollution is being caused by the household garbage, garbage from boats, ships, etc., and the waste material of the factories being thrown into the water bodies like lakes, rivers, seas, oceans, etc. Children, let me tell you that the garbage thrown on the banks of rivers, beaches, etc. is also flown away by strong winds or carried away by rainwater into these water bodies. The water is also being polluted by washing clothes and bathing in lakes, rivers, etc. Land, air, and water pollution causes vomiting, headache, coughing, breathing problems, skin irritation, cancer, and so many other diseases in human beings. The plants growing in polluted air, polluted soil, or growing by absorbing dirty water do not grow well. They also contain harmful chemicals. The animals and human beings can fall sick if they eat such plants or the parts of these plants. The plastic and other harmful substances present in the garbage badly affect the birds as well as the animals. They mistake polythenes, broken pieces of plastic items like spoons, glasses, bottles, etc. for food and eat them, due to which they face breathing and stomach problems. While searching for food in the garbage, their mouth, beak, feet, wings, etc. get stuck in the waste items and they are unable to breathe, eat, move, or fly. Many birds and animals even die because of this. Many marine animals living in the seas and oceans like fishes, sea turtles, whales, dolphins, seals, etc. are dying because of the polluted water, getting hurt by sharp objects floating in the water, or by being trapped in the fishing nets, cans, etc. So, pollution is a serious problem which has been created by human beings. It was clear during the total lockdown due to coronavirus pandemic also that we are responsible for it, as the air as well as the water of various water bodies became clear due to complete shutdown, as no harmful substances were being released by various human activities. You can see the difference in these images. The water of Ganga and Yamuna rivers is dirty before total lockdown and clear after about 15 days of lockdown. Similarly, the pollution in Delhi also reduced and India Gate was clearly visible. People in Jalandhar could see the Himalayas also, which are very far away after so many years. So, children, our earth is our responsibility. To enjoy a healthy life, we should try our best to reduce the pollution and make it a safe place to live for all living beings. For this, we should follow 3 R's to manage our waste, that is, the garbage. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Number 1, reduce. Reduce means to lessen something. We should try to reduce the use of paper, polythenes, disposable plastic items, can, etc. so that we produce less waste. Number 2, reuse. Reuse means to use something again. We should try to reuse polythenes, plastic as well as glass bottles, jars, containers, etc. for storing, making decorative items, growing plants, etc. Number 3, recycle. Recycle means to make something useful from the waste material. We should recycle the kitchen and garden waste by converting it into manure by composting. Remember, you learned how to make compost in chapter Leaf of Science? Surely you must be remembering. We should sell the paper, plastic, glass, metal items to local scrap dealer, that is Raddiwala, so that the new paper, plastic, glass and metal items can be made from them. So children, let us together make an effort to reduce, reuse and recycle our garbage to reduce the pollution and make our earth a beautiful place to live. Children, today we will be reading an interesting chapter, The God of River, that is based on water pollution. Please refer to the next link for reading and understanding page number 33 of the chapter.